The internet has completely changed the way businesses operate, and right now, local SEO is one of the most profitable digital skills in the world. Every single day, thousands of businesses are struggling to rank on Google, appear on maps, and get local customers. And guess what? They're willing to pay good money to anyone who can solve this problem for them. If you have local SEO skills, you can easily turn them into a full-time income, a six-figure agency, or even a passive revenue stream. But here's the shocking truth: most SEO experts are broke because they don't know how to monetize their skills the right way. They work for cheap, chase the wrong clients, or spend years doing free work, while smart local SEO experts make thousands of dollars per month. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to make money online as a local SEO expert. From freelancing to consulting to building your own agency, this is your blueprint for financial freedom. And remember, if you want to take your SEO career to the next level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website, www.whattransformacademyof.com. Continue your journey to a high-paying SEO career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert digital marketing content. Freelancing as a local SEO expert on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Let's start with the easiest way to make money as a local SEO expert freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Freelancer are filled with business owners searching for local SEO services. And the best part? You don't need an office, a team, or even a website to get started. But here's where most people go wrong: they compete on price instead of results. Most SEO freelancers never make it past a few $100s per month. But why? The answer is simple but brutal: they don't treat freelancing like a real business. They think creating a gig and waiting for orders is enough. It's not. There are over 10,000 local SEO freelancers on Upwork and Fiverr alone, so if you're just another generic seller, you'll disappear in the crowd. So how do you break free? By building authority. Instead of just relying on freelancing platforms, create a personal brand. Write LinkedIn posts about SEO, make YouTube videos sharing SEO insights, and offer value up front before asking for money. The truth is, clients don't hire the best freelancer, they hire the one they trust. And trust comes from positioning yourself as an expert. The more you share knowledge, the more people will see you as a high-value SEO professional instead of just another seller. That's how you start commanding $1,000 plus per client. If you charge $50 for local SEO services, you'll only attract low-quality clients who don't value your work. Instead, position yourself as a premium service provider and charge higher rates by focusing on results, not cheap services. Think about it: if you help a local business rank #1 on Google and increase the revenue by thousands of dollars per month, do you really think they'll hesitate to pay you $500, $1,000, or even $5,000? Of course not. Here's something most SEO courses never tell you: you don't need 50 clients to make six figures. In fact, just 5-10 high-paying clients are enough to build a $100,000 per year SEO business. But here's where it gets shocking: most SEO freelancers waste time chasing low-budget clients instead of focusing on businesses that actually have money. The key to winning on these platforms is creating irresistible gig offers. Instead of saying, "I will do local SEO for your website," try this: "I will rank your local business #1 on Google Maps and Google Search. I will optimize your website for local SEO and bring you high-paying customers. I will fix your Google My Business and improve your local rankings." See the difference? Business owners don't care about SEO itself, they care about more leads, more customers, and more revenue. That's what you need to sell. Offering local SEO consulting services. If you want to make serious money with local SEO, consulting is the way to go. Why? Because instead of selling one-time services, you get long-term contracts and monthly retainers. Most business owners don't understand local SEO. They know they need it, but they have no idea how it works. And that's where you come in as a local SEO consultant. Your job is to educate, strategize, and manage their SEO efforts. Here's what most consultants do wrong: they think businesses will come to them. That won't happen. You need to actively pitch your services to local businesses. Find businesses struggling with SEO, go to Google, search for dentist near me or plumber near me, and check the second or third page. These businesses need help. Offer a free local SEO audit, record a short video explaining their SEO problems and how you can fix them. Close the deal with value. Don't sell SEO, sell higher rankings, more calls, and more customers. Once you land a consulting client, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their needs. The best part? Most businesses will stay with you for years if you deliver results. Building a local SEO agency and scaling business operations. Freelancing and consulting are great, but if you want to build long-term wealth, you need to scale up. That means building your own local SEO agency. Starting an agency is easier than most people think. You don't need a big office or a huge team. All you need is a strong portfolio, case studies, results, and testimonials. A repeatable SEO process, keyword research, on-page optimization, backlinks, and Google My Business optimization. A team of freelancers or virtual assistants to handle client work while you focus on sales. The biggest mistake agency owners make: they try to do everything themselves. Instead, hire SEO specialists, content writers, and link builders to handle the technical work. Your job is to focus on sales and client relationships. Once your agency is running, you can charge $1,500 to $10,000 per month per client. Imagine having just 10 clients paying you $3,000 per month. That's a $30,000/month business. How to get your first $5,000 agency client in 30 days. Most SEO agency owners struggle for months to land high-ticket clients. But what if I told you could close your first $5,000 deal in just 30 days? Here's how. Go after businesses that are already running Google Ads. These companies are already spending thousands of dollars on paid traffic, and if you show them how local SEO can bring them free traffic, they'll instantly be interested. Step 1. Find local businesses running ads. Go to Google and search for best dentist in your city or top lawyers near me, and check the ones running paid ads. Step 2. Analyze their local SEO. If they're spending on ads but have a weak local SEO presence, you just found their ideal client. Step 3. Send them a short SEO audit video record, a 2-minute personalized video explaining how they're losing money by relying only on ads instead of organic traffic. Step 4. Offer a results-driven SEO package. Instead of charging a monthly fee, charge based on performance. Pay only if I get you on page 1. This removes risk for the client and makes it easier to close the deal. By following this method, you can land your first $5,000 client faster than you ever thought possible. Monetizing local SEO with affiliate marketing. Here's a secret way to make money with local SEO without working for clients at all. It's called affiliate marketing. Instead of optimizing websites for clients, you can create your own local SEO websites, rank them, and monetize them through affiliate commissions. How to make $10,000 per month with local SEO without clients. Client work can be stressful: meetings, deadlines, revisions. But what if you could make $10,000 per month without dealing with clients at all? The secret is local lead generation. Here's how it works. Instead of doing SEO for clients, you build your own lead generation websites and sell leads to businesses. Let's say you create a website called bestplumbersinchicago.com and rank it for keywords like top plumbers in Chicago and best plumbing services near me. Once your site starts getting traffic, you don't do the work yourself, you sell those leads to local plumbing companies. Most businesses happily pay $50, $100 per high-quality lead. Now imagine your website generates 300 leads per month. That's $15,000 per month without ever working with clients directly. The best part? Once your website ranks, the money keeps coming in without extra effort. This is how smart SEO experts make passive income while others are stuck in endless client meetings. Here's how it works. Pick a profitable local niche. Think best real estate agents in city or top dental clinics in London. Rank your website on Google using local SEO techniques. Monetize your traffic by promoting affiliate products, lead generation services, or even charging local businesses for featured listings. Some local SEO experts make $10,000 plus per month just by ranking niche websites and monetizing the traffic. And the best part? It's passive income. Once your website ranks, it keeps making money without any extra work. Pricing strategies and securing high-paying clients. Let's talk about pricing. Most SEO experts undervalue their services and charge way too little. Here's how to charge premium rates and attract high-paying clients. Stop charging by the hour. Clients don't care how long SEO takes, they care about results. Offer results-based pricing. Charge based on increased rankings, leads, or revenue. Use tiered pricing packages. Offer different levels of service: $500, $1,500, $5,000 per month. Position yourself as an expert. Clients will pay more if they see you as the go-to local SEO authority. The truth is, businesses have money to spend, you just need to prove your value. When you show them how local SEO can increase their revenue by thousands of dollars per month, they won't hesitate to pay you high ticket prices. Making money as a local SEO expert is easier than ever if you follow the right strategies. But here's the thing: knowledge alone won't make you money. You need to take action. And if you really want to turn local SEO into a high-paying career, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing Courses via our website, www.whattransformacademyof.com, and continue your journey to a high-paying career in SEM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert marketing content.